Kahlil came to me from Sexton High School, and he transitioned into a Lansing program, and the name of our program was the Community Transition Program. And during that time, I found out that he's very hardworking.
I think I was there like 20, I think I was like 20 years old to go there, so I can get my good grades, get my work done.
If I needed help in the classroom, he was always the first one up. If I needed something done or something that I forgot to do, he would remind me. So that's a type of student that I had.
I was Miss Cross. She told me to do everything. How I'll be a hard worker, how I'll be on time, and how to show up every time too.
From here, from the Lansing program, he transitioned into sales, and he did the same thing, and then moved on to Project Search.
Kahlil has a great personality, a great attitude. I love working with him. The first day he came, we literally showed him what he had to do, and after that, he didn't need any more help or any more guidance. Like, he would come in every day and go straight to doing what he would have to do. So he's a great person.
As far as I had to do stocking food, dry food, wet food, drinks, serving donuts, bagels, salads. Then I had to do the register.
I've worked with the Project Search for a couple of years. It's been a great experience for me because it's rewarding to watch them work. They're good workers and they want to work. You know, Kahlil, we want him to come back after he graduates as an employee. So that's what we're working on. So that's how great he was.
All employers, all businesses are looking for somebody who will come every day, who will give their 150%, who will be there rain, sleet, snow, or hail, and who will be there with a smile and happy to embrace that job. And that's what you get in this program.
I'm enjoying this because how I make friends, how I do everything, because I'm a hard worker and I've been showing up all the time. Sometimes I get nervous, but I have to take some deep breaths and then just do it.
The experience I hope to give to him is that you don't have to limit yourself and don't think that you can't do anything. I want to see them walk out here more confident than when they came in. It's just important for not just the university, but for other places to help these kids out, you know, because you got to give them an opportunity somewhere because eventually they got to be out on their own.
I think every child and or young person should learn how to be independent because life is about being independent, living on your own, making it on your own, making your own money. This program makes it so that you can do, and you learn how to do through on-the-job training and also work-based learning training. We hope that all of our students find their niche, only because in life, okay, all of us need to find our niche. And we are here to help all of our students find where they fit in, because where you fit in, you get in. And that's been our hope.